Also new is our brand new Roland 630 RC Unirep. We improved many different things, and one major topic is our new multi-flow pickup. Multi-flow with 5 tyne bars, with the new plastic stripper bands, which I have here, and an improved kinematic. With our new driveline, we are answering our customers' requests for improving reliability and lifetime.